In this video, I'll show you how to fix the VAN81 error code in League of Legends. Let's jump straight in. First, open your Start menu and search for Task Manager. Once it's open, make sure that League of Legends, the Riot client, and Vanguard are not running. If you see any of them, right-click and select End Task. You can also use the search bar at the top to quickly find Riot, League of Legends, or Vanguard and close any related processes. Next, go to the Startup Apps tab on the left. Look for vgtray.exe and check its status. If it's disabled, right-click on it and enable it. Now close Task Manager, open the Start menu again and search for Run. Open it, type misconfig, and press Enter. In the window that appears, go to the Services tab and scroll down until you find VGC. Select it, then click Apply and OK. You'll be prompted to restart your computer. Go ahead and do that. After restarting, the issue should be fixed for most users. If it's not, we'll try another method. Open the Start menu again, search for Command Prompt, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type scdelete vgk press enter, then type scdelete vgc press enter again. You should see confirmation messages for both. Close the command prompt and restart your computer once more. After the restart, open File Explorer. Go to your C drive, then into Program Files. Scroll down and find the Riot Vanguard folder. Right-click it and delete it. If it won't delete, make sure Vanguard isn't running. Now open the Riot client and log into your account. Go to League of Legends, and instead of the Play button, you should see an Update button. Click it to reinstall Vanguard. Once the installation is complete, restart your computer one final time. After that, the VAN81 error should be resolved. If this helped, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more guides.